Today, we are going to step inside a very unique factory located in Dongguan, China, where they are known to create another human being, an absolutely identical replica. To make up for the absence of a girlfriend or after the painful separation from a loved one, people in China are now creating exact replicas and are perfectly living with them. The complete story of the creation of these silicone humans will be in today's episode of Tech Inside. The intricate process of creating silicone dolls truly begins right here, within the studio. Initially, a virtual design is meticulously crafted using advanced 3D modeling software based on photographs provided by clients. Furthermore, by utilizing modern AI, even entirely fictional characters can be generated, allowing for the precise creation of these human-like dolls to perfectly match those specifications. Essentially, this design determines the doll's height, its facial features, and its overall body structure. Next, it's time to form their skeletons and bones. Just as bones form the foundation of the human body, these silicone dolls also contain a strong internal framework. This is called a stainless steel skeleton. These bones are then surrounded by a special type of foam material. Since silicone is quite heavy, it helps reduce the weight of this foam doll and feel soft exactly like human muscle to the touch. The most astonishing and remarkable aspect about them are their fingers. Just like human hands, every single joint or knuckle of their fingers can be moved and articulated. These joints are so incredibly delicate and precise that you can bend their fingers exactly as you wish to grasp and hold any object. However, remember that this intricate finger mechanism only works for silicone dolls. Because silicone is extremely robust and there's absolutely no fear of it tearing. The skeleton has been created. Now it's time to build the body. This step truly feels like a scene from a science fiction movie. Through the factory's large pipes, a special liquid called platinum silicone is injected. The skeleton is placed within a sealed chamber, and this liquid silicone is then introduced around it via special tubes. To ensure the silicone reaches all parts of the body evenly, pressure is meticulously controlled. A voice chip is then installed inside it. Because of this, even this inanimate doll can speak or respond just like a human being. The entire silicone body is left at a normal room temperature overnight. This allows it to fully solidify and perfectly take on the intended shape of the body. The following morning, once the mold is carefully opened, the long-awaited desired human form finally emerges. Afterward, workers meticulously trim away any excess silicone from the body and carefully clean it. At this point, you might assume that the silicone body is now fully complete. Perhaps the work is finished now, but the real work in fact is just beginning. To make it truly lifelike, just like a human being, a skin simulation treatment is absolutely necessary. Artists blend various colored pigments to create meridian colors that are exactly like human skin. Take a close look at the delicate blue or red blood vessels, or capillary networks, that are visible just beneath our skin. Artists meticulously paint these onto the surface of this human-like doll using their fine brushes. Following this, the intricate process of makeup application begins. Special air brushes are then employed to carefully apply layers of color onto the skin. Next, to make this color permanent, the doll's parts are placed in an oven and heated to a specific temperature. The makeup then fuses with the skin, ensuring it will never rub off. Once the eyes are set, when the doll looks at you, you might find yourself shivering. The most painstaking and patient work involved is hair implantation. This specific technique is referred to as hand-implanted hair. In this crucial step is not any machine, but the delicate and expert touch of skilled artist hands that is truly needed. Using a special 0.6 ultra-fine needle, eyebrows and eyelashes are individually implanted. Each hair is placed separately so that it looks completely natural. By not attaching hair with glue, but rather implanting it in this manner, these become significantly more durable. For the hair on the head, however, a specialized machine is employed that precisely places the hair follicles in neat rows. Following this, skilled hairstylists then arrive to meticulously cut, carefully braid, or artfully style the hair, thereby bestowing upon the doll a truly complete and distinct personality. And to bring this elaborate and detailed hair work to its full completion, it can, on occasion, extend over a period of several days.